Groundwater surveyors play a vital role in identifying and assessing the availability and quality of groundwater resources in specific areas. Lajpat Nagar, located in Delhi, is an important residential and commercial hub that heavily relies on groundwater for various purposes. Therefore, the need for efficient and accurate groundwater surveyors in Lajpat Nagar is of utmost importance. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys, collecting data, and analyzing the groundwater resources to provide valuable insights and recommendations to stakeholders. SCON Design Delhi understands the unique challenges faced in Lajpat Nagar regarding groundwater resources. They have a deep understanding of the local geology and hydrology, allowing them to tailor their surveys to meet specific requirements. By partnering with SCON Design Delhi, stakeholders in Lajpat Nagar can benefit from their expertise in groundwater management and receive valuable insights that can inform decision-making processes. In conclusion, the presence of skilled groundwater surveyors in Lajpat Nagar is essential for sustainable water management practices. These professionals play a crucial role in assessing the availability and quality of groundwater resources in the area. SCON Design Delhi is a reputable firm that specializes in providing comprehensive solutions for groundwater surveying, catering specifically to the needs of Lajpat Nagar. Their expertise and use of advanced technology make them an ideal choice for stakeholders seeking accurate information about groundwater resources in this important hub of Delhi. Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in assessing the availability and quality of underground water resources. This information is crucial for implementing effective conservation measures and ensuring the long-term availability of clean and safe drinking water for the residents of Lajpat Nagar. In Lajpat Nagar, where urbanization has led to increased concrete development and reduced green spaces, the role of groundwater surveyors becomes even more significant. They can provide valuable insights to urban planners and architects about incorporating sustainable design practices that promote groundwater recharge. In conclusion, groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in Lajpat Nagar by assessing the availability and quality of underground water resources. Their expertise helps in sustainable management of water resources through comprehensive surveys, data analysis, and recommendations for groundwater recharge strategies. By using state-of-the-art equipment and techniques, SCON Design ensures accurate data collection, which is essential for effective water resource management. By conducting detailed surveys and regular monitoring, groundwater surveyors contribute to the sustainable management of underground water resources in Lajpat Nagar.